Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be playing Roblox Jailbreak. There's a new update, so we want to check it out. It's called the Dogs update, and there's a new season. So you get like 10 C4, you get new spoilers and everything. Oh, you get a spaceship too. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, anyway, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe with bell notifications. Yep, so that you never miss any of my videos. Oh, I forgot to tell that the Tesla has been updated, so now it has interiors. I didn't notice that, I forgot about that. Anyway, so now we want to check out the dogs. Sit hunch. Okay, now we're going to the gun store. Dog store. Whoa, that's so cool. Let me go inside. Oh. So there are two dogs. One is a German Shepherd, which is strong for cops, and criminal dog, which is strong, good for criminals. Yeah. Let me click E. 50,000. Oh wait, let me go here. Oh, you can make it sit. That's good. German Shepherd. Okay, this breed does more damage when playing with the police team. Oh, we can name it. Okay. Let me name it. What should I name it? Let's name it my cat. Muddy. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks cool. Wait, how do you make it sit down? How do you make it sit down?
You have to keep waiting.
Oh. Oh yeah, it does it. And when you run, it runs along with you, I think. I named it Muddy. Oh, you named it Pro. Haha. Come wee. Nothing. Okay, Ansh, can you become prisoner?
Why?
I'll show you something. Become prisoner.
There's also a prisoner dog.
Yeah, just change to prisoner. Wait.
Wait, I just buy the prisoner dog.
Yeah, even I'll buy it as prisoner. For now, we'll just go.
The prisoner dog also.
Okay, change to come to become a prisoner. It sits along with it. That looks so cool. Wait, let me do something.
Oh, I got two dogs. What?
No, not the window.
Wait, no, I don't have.
Wait, Ansh, 1 minute. Okay, what? I think window color was it? Yeah, window color. Let me. No, how do you switch? Is there a way? No, we can't remove it, right? I want to show it to you. It's okay, never mind. Okay, anyway. Oh, wait. Yeah, oh no, never mind. Okay. Anyway, let's go to the prison. Let's pick up my brother. Can't see Julie, but. Hello, will it sit in the drone? Oh, it does it. Oh, that's what the space is for. Muddy. My cat. I forgot to tell you there's a new spring map, so this is what you're seeing. There's a feature where it runs around criminals. Okay, so sit in the vehicle fast before cops come. Go to the. Let's go somewhere here. Let's go here. Okay, now get out. Wait. Now he comes to attack you. See, oh, that's cool. Run him down. Oh, you got it. Okay, now let's become criminal and let's get the vehicle. Anshu, you become the cop.
Oh, why?
You be cop. You get the police dog and drive. I get criminal dog. Okay. You be cop. You help me. You can. The dog will chase me. The dog will chase me, Ansh. Come fast. I'm in the yard.
If I get prisoner dog, it'll chase me.
Yeah. No. If you get cop, dog will chase me.
If I get prisoner dog,
It'll chase me also. Okay, now come. It looks very funny. Come fast. I'm in the yard.
then I will can switch to prisoner.
Yeah. Okay, I think I see him. Where are you?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I didn't notice you. Let me get a key card, then we'll. Wait, stop.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, I'm Timmy boy. I got a gun. Okay, got a key card. Let's go. Fast. Let's go. Don't arrest me. I get criminal dog. Let's see what that does. No, I'm getting shot. They shot you.
Who shot me?
Yes, you come. They're gonna kill you. Fast. They're killing you. Oh my god. Stop shooting. I'm not gonna arrest you. I'm not going. Come. Yeah, I'll meet you at the pet store. And I'll show you. They updated Cybertruck, I believe. That's what people were telling. Oh yeah, they did put interiors. Hey, I don't want you. I don't know who are you. Oh. Look at the interiors. Whoa, looks so cool. The interiors are pretty detailed. It can fit how many people? Oh, one for the dog. Okay, that's smart. That's real smart. Okay, let's meet him at the dog store and then we'll buy the dog. Oh no, oh, that's him. Is there any other criminal? Hi. Okay. Let me buy the bulldog. The same with Muddy. Why not? 80,000? Anshu, where are you? See, come near me. Father, guy is gonna kill you.
Ah!
What?
The dog kicked you.
Yes, my dog is killing him. Go.
Wait, that became my dog.
No, my dog is with me. Hi, doggy. I've got another dog. I named him Muddy.
Where are you?
I got a heli. Let me hijack it. Did you lock it? Okay, then I'll come to pick you up. Then we'll go to the...
Hey.
He's sitting down. Wait, where will he be if... Oh! Hunch, you have to see this.
What?
See here, he's sitting here.
Who? What?
The dog.
Ooh, dog.
Okay, where are you? I'm coming to the yard. I don't have good
I'm
guns.
here to the police station.
Come out to the police station.
Not inside.
Then?
Outside. Yeah.
Why the... Okay, no. Wait. Is there a cop?
Yeah.
Okay, then good. My doggy. Come on, my doggy. Wait, what? Come, my doggy. Attack him. What? Are you seriously glitched? Wait, what? He's attacking. Oh, lol.
Not me.
He attacks only cops. Wait, what? Where'd he go? Okay, next what? Okay, my brother was troubling. But where's my dog? He just disappeared. He just sit in the helicopter and only come back. Yes, he came back. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Where are you going? Be with me. What are you doing? Are you glitched? Is it the yard is glitched? Anyway, this. Oh wait, I see a cop. Doggy, go! Doggy, go! Yes. No, 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 no. To kill him, doggy. Yeah, good boy. Kill that cop. Kill that cop. No, he just killed the cop. I gave him blue tap. Oh my god. No, he took my heli. Wait, did he? Sit. With my doggy.
I go to the pet store.
Okay, I'll drop you at the pet store. First, you need guns. There are a lot of cops camping.
I am seafood.
Oh, it's not rolling time. Doggy, come, doggy. Wait, can we buy anything for the dog? How are we able to equip these guns? I don't understand. Okay, I'm just level 1. And what is the task? How they become easier? Pickpocket, oh no. Ooh, these are easy. Good, thanks Asimo. I like this one. Pickpocket, cop 2 times. That's a good one. I hate they load the XP. Okay. Can we come? Let me lock that. Let me explode this. Where's my doggy? Wait, what? Oh, you got stuck in the door. You're kind of buggy. Can we buy 2 dogs? Re-adopt. Ooh. Wait, what? Oh, it'll give you the... Oh, you can change dog. Oh, that's good. That's good. You can't get... Super Knob 1, 2, 3. I think he's a guy. Oh, I think he's the guy who designed this. And there's a page. Wait, is there anything? I don't know if there's any code. Okay, where are you, brother? Let's try attacking some cops. Wait, what? Why is your doggy not coming? Get out and get in. Get in. Get in.
No, my dog is glitched.
Get in. Wait, maybe something will happen. Get him.
What? He's just following.
He's chasing us. Whoa, that's a good bulldog. That's bad. He's not able to get in.
That's bad. He's chasing to a helicopter. Come inside.
You can't get in.
You're glitching him.
No, he's not. Now let me sit inside. Okay, wait. You get out.
Yeah.
Now sit inside.
Wait,
He's
wait.
trying to come in.
Oh, really? I think only some other people can, only the drivers can do this.
It's okay, leave. He'll come chasing us. He might get glitched. Oh no, sad dog. It's okay. Anyway, I have my dog. Let's try robbing the bank with cops.
I feel like the dog just jumped.
I think the criminal dog is more expensive because criminals can rob easily. Cops take a lot of time. Okay, I think I lost pretty much. Oh yeah. Oh, this. Can my dogs? He can't die, right? Your dog came.
Wait, how far is my dog?
I think it teleported. That's a possibility.
Wait. Wait. No, my dog is stuck. The dog is stuck. He'll get arrested. Open up. Open.
Still
Fast.
trolling. Wait, what?
The dog is stuck out.
Huh?
The dog is stuck out.
Whose?
Mine. Open, open, open up. Open. This is my dog. So,
He'll teleport inside. Let's go.
oh, he should be.
Fast, we need to earn some money. I trolled the guy.
I feel like he.
Will we rob? Let's.
I lost my dog.
It's okay. It'll come. Let us see. Oh no, right. Okay. Let us see what the update. Let me read about more. Let me read more about 7 new contracts and other season importance. Season 2 out of this world with space team. Okay. Bulldog. Best pair. Okay. Bully's dog with cop. Okay. Hmm. Spring map and more. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, we need to go fast. My doggy. Your doggy is here.
Yeah.
See, I told you, teleport. My muddy doggy.
Can we get out?
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Where's my dog? It's not getting killed by the laser zone.
Yeah.
Why?
Dogs can't die. Anyway, it'll teleport to us. I want some money.
Open up, open up.
Oh yeah. I'll open, wait.
My dog will sleep.
Come! It'll come on its own. Oh, there's a cop. Wait, there's a cop! Oh, I thought, never mind.
Where's the dog? Where?
Did you lose your money?
Did
Did you
it
rob?
just fall from the sky?
Okay, you robbed it. Where's my dog? Okay, it's teleported inside. Never mind, let's sit. Let me unlock it.
My dog is not. It's okay, leave it.
Okay, so
Leave it.
I'll come. He is not letting me drive. Oh my god. Just teleport.
It will fall from my sky. It will fall from the sky.
Can they enter the museum? That's a question.
My dog is so sad. Doesn't come with me.
Wait, let's get jetpack.
Dog also needs a jetpack.
Oh, your dog is chasing us. Oh,
He just jumped over. I know that. He can
Oh my
jump.
god,
He's such a pro.
Whoa, he's chasing us. I don't know if you can see here. He's like, how will he make this jump? There's no way he can do this. He fell from so high. He doesn't have fall damage.
Bruh, does
Oh, he came.
Did he just jump?
He's here. I can see him.
Get my dog.
He will teleport. He's a pro. No, my dog fell too.
Bro,
It's
I
okay.
need my dog.
They'll teleport to us. My dog already teleported. Come, let's go fast.
It'll not teleport. It'll fall from
No,
the
it'll
sky.
come. Yeah, it'll fall from the sky. It'll
No,
teleport.
my
Oh, I see him chasing. Anyway, that's not important. We have to quickly go to the MSM.
Oh my god, how is that even important?
How is that possible? Okay. Oh wait, there's criminals. Let's rob the bank.
The criminal dog is falling. Where's
Oh,
mine?
it opens in 25 seconds.
Bro, where's my dog? How many dogs do you have?
It's
Where is one more guy has? Where is it falling on the sky?
everyone has a dog. Okay, open.
That is
Pull,
falling.
pull.
Huh? That guy. My dog is lol.
Oh, just. Anyway,
Bro, my dog keeps.
don't set all the
Robbing the
alarm.
dog. Bro,
My doggy, come.
where's my dog? It's not robbing me.
It's okay, it'll
It's
teleport.
such a noob dog. Why did I even name?
Okay, Anju, you're disturbing me. I'm not able to concentrate. Where's my doggy? He'll teleport probably. Oh, he's waiting here. Because I'll go to. This guy is completing it. I open this side. Tell me on to pull.
I'm not ready.
The map looks very weird now because it's different.
Oh my god, this is like a dog cage.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to pull. Tell me when you're ready. Okay,
My dog is stuck. It's like a dog cage. Like a
okay, let's go up. My helicopter.
Sorry, dog, I'm leaving.
How did my dog climb up this? He's gonna teleport. He'll teleport, you know where?
My dog.
He'll come, don't worry. Just sit.
Dog.
Take Funcher 8 to the criminal base and rob their embassy.
Where is my dog? Okay, I
Oh,
saw
my
the
cousin
dog.
joined. Cousin.
It is falling. It's...
Recording. Okay,
Ah,
let's
my
go.
dog. My dog.
Come, don't worry. He came with the ball.
Oh, yeah. Hi. No, somebody just touched my dog. My dog, give me your money. Dog.
I think we'll go and pick up Nihan. Okay, come.
Doggy. Oh my god, how did I
New
get
dogs are amazing, man. Thank you, Asimo. I love these. Your dog, oh my god, he teleported.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
where's my dog gonna sit? Is he gonna sit? He's sitting next to me. Whoa, that's cool.
Where?
In the front.
Can my dog climb?
Oh no,
Bro, that's
is it
such a
glitched?
noob. Such a noob. Wait, is it such a... I don't want to sit.
Your dog wants it. Okay, anyway. Oh no, this is a bit glitchy. No,
What?
let me try.
Wait, what? My dog is on the helicopter.
Whoa! Bro, I can't see anything. What the heck is happening?
Get off my dog.
Anshu, can you sit in the back? Use rope. I can't see anything.
My dog will chase me. Where?
No, there's something wrong with the
I
other.
want to do dropping.
No need.
I want to see the dog. How I do that?
Dog. Muddy. Like my. No, you named me as Pro. This we get confused. Anyway, Discord call. Okay, just a minute. By mistake, I muted myself. Call. Let me call. All pick up. Okay, that's it for today's video. It was mainly about these dogs. I like them. See ya later. Bye.